layuan ang mga tukso. Here the moment of truth, kung ilang kilos ang ating Tzai Access Vlog. Today, my vlog is about losing weight. I will start losing weight because I am so heavy now. Nagsimula lang ako ng 60. Yan, 60 ako before galing sa Pinas. 60 kilograms. And ngayon, na-check ko, 70 na ako. 10 kilos ang ginain ko dito sa Scotland. So, going to share to you what I'm going to do. This video clip. Kung anong gagawin ko today para maging seryoso yung pagda-diet na inaasam-asam ko. 10 kilo ang tatanggalin ko. Ang ginain ko, actually. So, today, going to start jogging. In place. See that, guys? Yan, titimbang tayo. See how many kilos I gained today here in Scotland. As you can see, it's 70. Clear. Ayan, so we have this belly parts. It's like belly in the fork. So, nandito na punta 10 kilo. And the other one, here's a braso. And the hita, I don't know how you can see this. But it's like, here, this is my body shape right now. So, I really need to to lose weight. So, some maybe at the puwet, tapunta. And here. Ito ang gusto kong tanggalin at ito. So, let's try jogging in place. Guys, welcome back. Ayan, after ko nga mag-jogging in place or running in place kanina, 20 minutes, for day 1, today is still day 1. Ayan, nag-rest lang ako ng mga 15 minutes and then nag-prepare akong maligo. And then, after maligo, ayan na, ito na ako. So, I just want to share to you, hindi ko kasi kanina na video, yung breakfast na ininom o kinain ko. Ang ginawa ko lang, 1 glass of water and then, nag-prepare ako, habang nag-prepare ako ng breakfast ng aking family. Ayan. Nag-prepare ako sa sarili ko ng tea. Black tea or Scottish breakfast na tinatawag nila. English tea. It's a black tea. Yan lang ang breakfast ko kanina. So, ngayon, syempre, snack time na ng anak ko. Matitempa ko. So, anyway, I just want to share to you that for this week, I'm planning to continue doing breakfast for my green tea or Scottish breakfast or black tea, English tea. And then in the evening, chamomile tea na pinadala pa sa akin ng mother ko galing Pilipinas nung dumating yung anak ko. But I just discovered na dito lang rin pala nabibili to sa Tesco. Ayan, ito kasing tea na to ay nakakatulong na pag may insomnia ka, na makatulog ka. Hindi man agad-agad, but it will help. Yan. Combine it with the milk, fresh milk. And may insomnia kasi ako, so this will be my evening tea. So, snack and lunch. Dahil nag-start na akong kumain ng pakonti-konti without rice before last week. Today, I will skip snack and lunch. Since baka matempa ko for day 1 na seryosong pagda-diet, gagawin ko, I prepare mineral waters. 2 liters. 2 liters itong mineral water na to. So, snack every time I feel hungry, ayan, nagugutom, I will drink this. My goal is to finish 2 liters in 1 day. Not bad. You have to, O sa mga gustong dyan na mag-diet, it will work, maybe it will work to me, but it doesn't mean it will work to you. Maybe. Wag niyong madaliin yung pag-ano. Kasi ako, nag-start na ako ng pakunti-kunting kain last week. So, yung tiyan ko, maybe, baka lumiit na rin. So, I will try this day 1. That's why I will try to skip breakfast, heavy breakfast and heavy lunch. So, I will alternate or papalitan ko siya ng water, snack, and lunch. Evening or dinner time, pag-uwi ng mister ko, siguradong hindi papayag yun na hindi ako kakain. So, ako rin naman magluluto. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, I will eat the ulam. Hindi ko kakainin rice. Mag-i-stack ko ng rice. That's what my plan. And then, before sleeping, the chamomile tea. So, I'll show you later. Busy while my son is learning there. The Tzai is online. Kami. Sorry. Looking. Hi. Yeah, naglalaba kasi ako. So, hindi ko mararamdaman ng gutom dahil I will keep myself busy. Yun nga, ulit-ulit. So, 12 na guys. Magta-12 na. So, it's time for me to cook ulam ng lunch and dinner. So, gagawin ko. Naka-rouse tayo ng breakfast and matakam sa snack, magutom, pakiramdam. I'm just going to update you. Today is lunchtime. So, anong pakiramdam ko? I'm just going to show you or update you kung anong pakiramdam ko nang hindi kumain ng snack time and ngayon lunch time. Ito na yung nabawas ko sa ngayon. Kanina hindi ko sinama yung breakfast na ininom ko, but ito yung start ng snack time. Ako nag-start ng 2 liters, so isang baso. So habang nagluluto ako, pakiramdam ko mararamdaman ko yung gutom for lunch. So maglalagay ako dito. Ito yung aking pinaka lunch. I'm going to drink this. So, yan yung lunch. Habang nagluluto ako. So, hindi makita. So, but yan. Yan. Habang nagluluto ako. So, mag-start na ako. So, here guys. Nakakatakam, diba? Yan lang ang kakainin ko. Yung isang mangkok lang. So, yan lang aking dinner. So, meron kaming lumpia, log, natirang piranggot, and atsara, at saka this one, pininyahang manok. So, yun lang kakainin ko without anything. Yan. Okay? And then water. Natira sa water ko yun. Ito lang akin isang mangkok na ulam. Pininyahang manok. Without rice. Ribbon. At ito na lang natira sa water ko. Ayan, may konti pa akong natira sa 2 liters ko. At ito yung iinumin ko hanggang matapos ang dinner namin. So, let's get it on. In Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Bless our food, Papa God. Thank you for the food on our table. Please give us more blessing. And we thank you in the name of the Father, Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, let's go. Wait. So guys, tapos na ako. Yeah, and then water.
Move on where?
I don't know. It's just Charles.
Whatever's going on.
And after nyo matapos, ang gagawin mo ay
I love him.
Tumayo.
He's different.
What?
Everything
For
is
10 minutes. Just stand.
You want me to
We
stand too?
changed the world so we could live in it.
Yeah, but maybe that's what we should go do.
Just stand
This is
after
our
you
life.
eat.
This is what we wanted.
So, yan ang iniinom ko ngayon bago matulog. 30 minutes or 1 hour before sleeping. Chamomile tea and white color lang dapat siya. or colorless. Kaya lang nilagyan ko siya ng milk para okay. Yan. So, yan ang iniinom ko tonight. Good night. See you tomorrow. Hi guys! Welcome back to Tzai Access. It's my second day. At ito lang naubos ko. Ito lang yung natira sa 2 liters ko na water kahapon to our day 1. So, today, ito ang iinumin ko. And, magpipi din ako. So, iinumin ko siya for water first, pagising. 1 glass of water. At yung natira ko na lang kagabi, yun yung aking iinumin this morning. And then, nag-prepare din ako ng tea, but this time yung ginamit ko ay green tea. Hinaluan ko din siya ng gatas. That's my breakfast for second day. And while my family having a breakfast like this, sunny side up egg, meatballs, nuggets, and burger chicken. Nakakatakam, nakakatukso, but kailangan nating layuan ang mga tukso. Hi guys! Welcome back to Tzai Access. Wala yung access, hindi ko pa natapos. Tzai's pa lang. So, how are you? Ayan, I'm just going to discuss what happened ngayong day 2. I don't have any video to show you kasi ginamit ko yung aking cellphone at wala akong access to video what I did while I'm talking to my mom on the phone, video call sa Pinas. I don't have other gadget to use to film it. Both of my kids using my laptop also. So, I'm sorry hindi ko napakita yung pang date natin, but I'm going to discuss it, what I did after drinking lemon green tea in the morning as what I did yesterday for my breakfast. 1 glass of water and tea. After niya, nag-rest lang ako. And then, instead of jogging in place, what I did is, nag-zumba ako, belly zumba, for 30 minutes. Yan. And then, after that, rest lang, and then ligo na, and then, after that, start na ng, my snack is water. And when I feel hungry, nag-water lang rin ako. Lunchtime, water din, hindi ako kumain, mga anak ko lang. Habang nagluluto ako, when I feel hungry, yung 2 liters ko, naubos ko siya today. So, ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time na i-access yung aking gadget for filming. Kasi hindi na nila ginagamit. And I will show you how many kilos I lose for that routine for 2 days. Okay? So, here we go guys. This is my second day and I feel so light. Hindi tayo sa CR namin. As you can see, hindi natin makikita yung difference, but what you feel is it's not heavy. Hindi nyo mararamdaman yun na parang ang gaan ang pakiramdam. And this is, I think there's something na loose, na lumiit ng konti yung tiyan. And I will show you kung ilang kilo yung nabawas natin in just 2 days. In just 2 days, guys. So, I will show you. So, here, the moment of truth, kung ilang kilos ang ating nabawas. Oh my G. Oh. How many is that? See? I lose almost 1 kilos. More than, actually. It's more than 1 kilos. I lose it. Yeah. Oh my G. I'm so happy. Wow. Lose 1 kilos in 2 days. See that guys? I almost lost 2.2 pounds in just 2 days. Actually, kung puro water lang, siguro kung hindi ako kumakain sa gabi ng ulam, kahit ulam, pwede pang 3 kilos yung malus ko in 2 days. So, guys, I'm so happy na nalus ko yung weight na yon in just 2 days na hindi ko masyadong dinideprive yung sarili ko sa pagkain. I'm still eating. And you can start, isa sa mga tip ko, you can start eating ulam or biscuits or siguro minimal lang yung sweets kasi isa talaga sa ng ating katawan ay mabilis magpataba ay yung mga chocolates and isa yun sa mga kinakain namin dito dahil ang mura ng chocolate dito sa UK. So guys, yun, isa yun sa mga tip ko sa inyo. So guys, I hope na-inspire kayo, na-motivate kayo sa experience kong ito, and siguro kung tuloy-tuloy kong gagawin ito, I will losing weight 10 kilos in a month, I'm sure. Kasi kung kaya mo ng 2 days, malus yung 1 kilo mahigit. Actually, 1 kilo, nakita nyo naman, more than 1 kilo yung aking na-lose. I'm so happy. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and na-inspire kayo na motivate, please do subscribe to Tzai Access and click nyo yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga video ko. And kung gusto nyo na rin, paki-like na rin. And comment down below para ma-shoutout ko kayo sa next video shoutout ko. And share kung sinisipag ka. Maraming salamat!